Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are in our nice new office with a nice new view, and we could not be happier that we moved to a much bigger space. Know what else is new? Stick around until the end of the vlog to find out. The last few months have been really busy, and we're glad we've had the opportunity to share with you a little bit of our life at ASA Ventures, all the happenings and events, and who's who behind one of Dubai's biggest VCs. You've seen our multifaceted executives in the biggest events in and outside of Dubai, sharing their expertise to a diverse audience. We've shared our time with the community, getting involved in university events and youth-oriented platforms. We've also shared the stories of ASA's women in leadership.
Wait. Intelligent, creative, and intelligent.
We will say, stop. You stop for. I want to repeat it. I want to repeat the last one.
And a personal favorite of mine, the Ramadan video.
Time Christ. Life. It disciplines you. Sorry.
Now that you know us and what we do on the regular, we will take you on a quick detour that will help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Next week, I will be turning you over to some of my colleagues who will be teaching you the basics of marketing. Through a series of videos, the team behind our successful marketing campaigns will show you how to come up with the best strategies to reach your market. That's all for the first season of our vlogs. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.
Cut. That's a wrap.
Yay!